Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by General Insurance Corporation of India Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, General Insurance Corporation is a government of India company. So they have released the recruitment notification dated 4th December 2024 for Scale 1 officers. Friends, here these vacancies are for graduate and postgraduate candidates, and there are total 110 vacancies in different domain. Online registration is already started from 4th December, and last date of making online registration is 19th December 2024, and the tentative date of online examination is also mentioned, that is 5th January 2025, and 7 days prior you can download your admit card. Now let's talk about the vacancies. First is for journal stream. There are total 18 vacancy. Here the minimum qualification asked is graduate in any discipline with 60% marks for general and OBC category candidate, and if you are from SC/ST category, then minimum 55% is required to apply for this post. And the desirable is that you should be a postgraduate or a MBA candidate. Friends, it's a desirable qualification. If you are having a minimum qualification, then also you are eligible, but if you are postgraduate or MBA graduate, then you are eligible to apply for this post also. Here they have not specified whether MBA should be for a particular field. So even if you have done MBA from any of the field, you are eligible to apply for journal stream. So like this, there are vacancies in various different domains. And here the last is for finance stream. There are total 18 vacancies. Here the qualification is same as that of other vacancies. So here the qualification asked is BCom with minimum 60% marks. Here they have specifically asked BCom candidate, and all graduate are not eligible for this. Only BCom graduate are eligible. And if you are from SC/ST category, then minimum 55% marks is required to be scored. Here the desirable qualification you should have is either MBA Finance, CFA, CA, CMA or MCom. Then you are eligible to apply for finance. And if you are not having this qualification, then you can apply for journal stream. But you have to keep in mind that for finance the competition will be less, and for journal stream there will be ample amount of competition. So you have to consider all those aspects, and you can apply for only one post and not for all. See, here they have specific mentioned candidate can apply for only one stream of his or her choice. And in case of multiple application, then the last submitted application will be considered. Fees paid against all other application will be forfeited. So just apply for one post and not all. And you should have additional qualification as on 1st November 2024. Then reservation is mentioned. Friends, out of 108 vacancies other than medical stream, so finance vacancy and general stream vacancies are covered here. They have not specified the individual vacancy wise reservation. So out of total 108 vacancies, 43 are for general category. Rest are all for reserve category candidates. Now age criteria. Friends, age should be as on 1st November 2024. So you have to keep in mind it's a backdated date. So as on 1st November 2024, you should be minimum 21 years and maximum 30 years. As specifically mentioned, you should not have born earlier than 2nd November 1994 and not later than 1st November 2003. Both days are inclusive. So even if you are born on these days, you are eligible. Then there are age relaxation for reserve category. You can check them. Now perks and perquisites, very important. Friends, you will be paid basic pay of rupees 50,925 per month, and you will be in the pay scale of 50,925 to 96,765, and apart from that you will be paid all other admissible allowances like DA, HRA, CCA, etc. And your total salary will be approx 85,000 per month plus other benefits, which are new pension scheme, newspaper, internet allowance, etc, etc. And you will also be entitled for company's accommodation or lease accommodation. The present accommodation limit in Mumbai city is 45,000 per month. Now service condition. Friends, it is mentioned that these posts are permanent and selected candidate will be posted at Mumbai location only. So if you are willing to shift to Mumbai, then only apply for this, because your most of the time you will be in the Mumbai only. But it doesn't mean that you cannot be posted at any other location. You can be transferred to any other place in India or abroad as per their requirement. But initial posting will be in its corporate office in Mumbai. So your most of the job will be at the corporate office. Now selection procedure, very important. And selection will be based on online test, performance in group discussion and interview, followed by medical examination. And your online test and group discussion and interview will be of 200 marks combined together, and it will be tentatively held on 5th January 2025. And your online test will be in all these cities. So almost all states are covered and all major cities are covered by them. Now online exam pattern is mentioned. So friends, for journal stream candidate, your exam will be in 3 parts. Part A is objective. It will be related to high order reasoning ability and critical thinking. So basically reasoning and quantitative aptitude questions will be there. Total 40 questions will be there and maximum marks will be 40 marks. Then part B will be of a objective type. Here question will be from reasoning, English, GK, numerical ability and computer literacy, like this. 20 question will be from reasoning, 25 questions will be from English, 20 question from general awareness and 15 question from numerical ability and computer literacy, and each question will have 1 marks. Then part C is descriptive. Here they will test your English language. Here you have write essay, precise and comprehension. 3 questions will be there, that is each question from essay, precise writing and comprehension, and 30 marks will be there. So like this, 150 marks written test will be there. Then for specialist stream, so that is for finance stream, again it will be in 3 parts. Part A will consist of your technical and professional knowledge, that is your technical syllabus. 40 questions will be there and 40 marks will be allocated. Then part B is non-technical syllabus. Again, it's an objective type. Here they will test your reasoning, English language, general awareness, numerical ability, which is same for as that of general stream. And it will also have the same marks, like 20 marks from reasoning, 25 marks from English, 20 marks from GK and 15 marks from numerical ability. So like this, 80 marks from your non-technical and 40 marks from your technical syllabus, like this 120 marks. And then part C is descriptive. Here you have to type your answers. It will be your testing your English language. Here they will ask essay, precise writing and comprehension, 3 questions and 30 marks. So like this, total 150 marks will be awarded in the written test, and candidate pertaining to general and OBC category need to score at least 60% marks. It is a minimum qualifying marks, and 50% by SC/ST, and minimum qualifying marks for overall selection process. A candidate need to score at least 60% marks for general and OBC category and 50% by SC/ST, and you have to score minimum qualifying marks in each stage of selection process. That is, in online you should have 60% marks, GD you should have 60% or above, and interview 60% and above, then only you will be selected. And in case of a wrong answer, 1/4 will be deducted by them. Test will be in English as well as in Hindi, except for test of English language. Total 150 minutes will be provided. 30 minutes for part A, 60 minutes for part B and 60 minutes for part C. And on the basis of performance in online examination, candidate will be called for group discussion and interview. Maximum marks for group discussion and interview will be 20 and 30 respectively. So 20 marks for group discussion and 30 marks for interview. Now one important point, guarantee bond. Friends, they have mentioned that you need to execute a guarantee bond to serve the company for minimum period of 4 years in case you are selected, including your probationary period. And in case you leave the company before this date, then you have to pay liquidated damages to the company equivalent to 1 year gross salary paid to him during the year of probation. Then how to apply is mentioned. Friends, you have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company under career section, and you have to make an application fee of ₹1000 plus GST, and candidate belonging to SC/ST, physically handicapped candidate, female candidates and employee of GIC are exempt from making application fee. Then rest step by step detail are mentioned how to fill up the application form. You can check them. So that's all, friend. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you should give it a try and apply for this vacancy. Since graduate and postgraduate are asked, so you will be eligible in one or another stream. So definitely give it a try. Since the exam date is also mentioned, so entire process will be completed on or before 31st March. So by this date, you should know whether you are selected or not selected in case everything goes well. So do give it a try and apply for this vacancy. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.